Hi guys, it's Shelley Mars again. Today we'll be learning how to fix a pour that doesn't turn out right. So let's get started.
We'll start off with a titanium white, add the metallic silver, and the rest are Modern Masters pearls. This one is the Glacier Blue. The Amethyst, and the Venetian Blue. Beautiful colors. I really enjoy working with the pearls. I managed to turn the camera off for a moment and forgot to turn it back on. But this is what I ended up with, and I'm just not happy with it at all. The silver took over and kind of just turned it to mud. But I'll keep working it and see what happens. I need to get the paint off of it anyway to start again, so we'll just spin it off and be done with it. Now I've got most of the excess paint spun off, so it might just be time to start again. We have a nice base for a new painting. So I won't even let it dry. I'll just add some paint on top of that. I'll do it over. I'm using the same colors again, the metallic silver, the glacier blue, the amethyst, and the Venetian blue, those last three from Modern Masters pearls. This time we'll do a ring pour. And then go back into the ring pour. I have that nice white paint on the bottom. I might give it a little extra. We need to get the puddle of paint centered. There we have a little angel that I didn't even see. I may have to try to do that again. But I'm still not liking this one at all. We'll go ahead and pop some bubbles, see if we can get some cells or some pearls to form. I had turned the camera off to answer the phone, and when I came back on, I forgot to turn the camera back on. What I've done here is I've added another ring pour, just a very loose one that gives you that blue rose there. And then I've added some white cloud paint, some pearl paint. I'm hoping to get some pearls to form. And then we're going to do our colors again, using the same paints again, at least the 3 blues. I think I'll stay away from the silver this time. Smart move. It tends to take over. So we'll just pour some of that up in a line on top of that white. And then let it sit for a while and let the pearls develop. This is the way it turned out. The pearls came up beautifully, and the rose is gorgeous. It's one of my favorites now. I hope one of yours too. Took a while to get there, but it was worth the trouble. And I hope you'll find the same with your paintings.
So what do you think? Defeat or victory? It's never too late to fix a painting. It's good to see you again. I look forward to the next time. And until then, happy painting.